Here, welcome to all my dear students. Myself, Dr. J.K.Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen chapter first, various topics. Today, we are going to learn office organization, chapter 2. So, let's start with the new topic, office organization. Office organization. The new topic of office organization and management. Introduction of office organization. Any collective activity by a group of people must be organized in order to achieve the desired end. Through the organization, individual efforts can be coordinated and given a common sum purpose. These activities are performed a large number of individuals. Imperative the efforts of the individual office workers, and they should be organized in such a manner the office functions may be performed with the maximum efficiency at a minimum cost. The various steps of office activities are essential. Grouping of essential activities of the office and their classification into major heads of functions. Selection of suitable workers, supervisors, and executives for each department, and proper allocation of duties and delegation of authority according to their ability. Provision of necessary facilities like forms, equipment, and machineries. They are suitable working conditions to the workers. The definition of office organization. The first definition is R.C. Davies is organization is a group of people who are cooperating under the direction of leadership for the accomplishment of a common end. The second definition is organization is concerned with the arrangement of work, with the division of activities, and with the allocation of duties, authority, and responsibilities. The various features of the organization. The first is the entire organization is properly divided into small, identifiable parts. The result into departmentation and subdivision of staffs. Second is each part of job is assigned to each individual or group. Third features of organization is responsibility and authority positions are established among the organizational units. And fourth and last features of organization is proper work environment is created. The office people work is a common objectives for smooth and efficient work. Their activities need to be coordinated. Office organization is the process which a framework of positions is bounded together and to achieve the objectives of an enterprise. Importance of office organization. According to Align, a sound organization can contribute greatly to the continuity and success of the enterprises. The need for organization arises two or more people work together. One man business will not face any difficulties about the coordinator and the efforts, the selling, buying, and other management functions of the business. The large-scale organizations, the need and importance of organization has grown substantially. This organizing make it possible to the effective operations of a group. It is the basis for necessary teamwork among the various members of a common enterprise, and they helps in coordinating their efforts. Every member knows how he and his work into the total picture and what he is to do when and where he is to do it and who helps him. So this is the importance of office organization. Benefits of good organization. A good organization exits each member of the group already selected for his competency, his definite assignment, and stated time for carrying it out. The assignment is within his ability to perform and understand what he has to do and how it is to be done. So, the various benefits of the good organization. The first is it facilitates the objectives of the enterprise. Next is it eliminates overlapping and duplication of efforts. Next is it permits effective delegation and decentralization. Next is it facilitates adequate and effective control. And the last benefit of good organization is it facilitates an orderly expansion and growth. So, these were the various benefits of the good organization. Problems of poor organization. It delays work due to the absence of clear-cut responsibilities of each executive and of each employee. Second is, it contributes to the poor quality of employees' effort because of the uneven and unsatisfied distribution of work among them. It promotes waste of efforts because of its failure to define the jobs and the limits of the responsibility and attached to a job. So these were the various problems of poor organization. Thank you.